And thank you for watching our videos. We finally concluded here at National Gear. This here is our couple of ball mills has been rebuilt, our ball mill pinions rather. The bearing wearing areas and the shaft seal areas have been rebuilt with tungsten carbide and reground to size. We installed the new SKF bearings to specific size again, and the Falk gearbox that runs the kiln was actually rebuilt with new bearing seals, and we changed the direction of the input and the output to the desired orientation that the customer asks for. So here at National Gear Repair, we specialize in rebuilding, reconditioning, and also manufacturing all types of gears that you might need in your heavy industrial sector. We're specialists when it comes to rotating equipment repair, and we offer 24 to 48-hour emergency rush repair if needed. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.